In today's world, chemicals are everywhere. Cleaning products, personal care items, food packaging, and even the air we breathe. While many are safe when used properly, some daily chemicals can pose significant risks to our health, especially with repeated exposure. So, what are the most harmful chemicals we should be aware of? Let's start with phthalates, commonly found in plastics, fragrances, and personal care products like shampoos and lotions. Phthalates are known as endocrine disruptors, meaning they can interfere with your hormones. This disruption can lead to fertility issues, developmental problems, and even certain types of cancer. Next, there's BPA, short for bisphenol A. BPA is often found in the linings of canned foods, plastic containers, and receipts. Like phthalates, it's an endocrine disruptor and has been linked to increased risks of obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. While many products now advertise themselves as BPA-free, similar chemicals like BPS or BPF may not be much safer. Formaldehyde is another chemical to watch for. It's often used in building materials, furniture, and even cosmetics. Long-term exposure can irritate the skin and respiratory system and is classified as a human carcinogen. Always check product labels for terms like urea formaldehyde or formalin. Then there's PFAS, also called forever chemicals, because they don't break down easily in the environment. These are used in nonstick cookware, water-resistant fabrics, and food wrappers. PFAS have been linked to liver damage, thyroid disease, and immune system suppression. Finally, let's talk about parabens, which are preservatives in cosmetics, skincare products, and even some processed foods. They've been found in breast cancer tissue, sparking concerns about their potential role in tumor growth. Look for labels that say paraben-free to reduce exposure. So how can you minimize your risk? First, read labels carefully and choose products with fewer synthetic chemicals. Opt for glass or stainless steel over plastic, especially for food storage. Ventilate your home regularly to reduce indoor air pollution, and consider switching to natural cleaning products or DIY solutions like vinegar and baking soda. While it's impossible to eliminate all harmful chemicals from our lives, small, conscious changes can significantly reduce your exposure and promote long-term health. Stay informed and make choices that prioritize your well-being. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Have a question or topic you'd like us to explore with AI? Comment below.